वेलकम बैक टू वीकेंड आउट. माय नेम इज गौरव. नाम तो सुना होगा ना. धीरे धीरे करके विंटर का मौसम जाता जा रहा है एंड इफ यू आर वन ऑफ दोस पीपल हु थिंकिंग ओ गॉड मैंने तो इस विंटर को यूटिलाइज ही नहीं किया है, ना मैंने ढंग से बारबेक्यू किया है, ना मैं वैसे रेस्टोरेंट्स में गया हूं जहां पर बाहर ग्रेट आउटडोर सीटिंग ऑप्शन है, मैंने किया क्या? If that's the case, first of all, I feel very bad for you. But like they say, it's never too late, so it's definitely not too late. I'm going to introduce you to a restaurant that offers a great outdoor seating ambience. Of course, not to mention it offers some great food as well. We're going to try some Italian food at Casa Mia, and this is at the Le Méridien, Dubai.
The culinary history of Italy is deeply indebted to cross-cultural currents of people and societies from over 3,000 years of history that slowly defined the Italian peninsula. One of the best features of Italian cuisine lies in its diversity. Different regions have different specialities, many times depending on what fresh ingredients are available. Italian food is known for its bold but not overbearing flavors and its delicious use of herbs, spices and cheese.
Italian food, just to make everybody aware, is probably the most spread and common food worldwide. Why? Two main reasons: because it's very healthy, and second of all, because it's very tasty.
Okay, here's something very interesting that I see on the first page of the menu here at Casa Mia. It says, and I'm going to read it from the menu, it says, for all health-conscious diners, Chef Maurizio recommends the selection from the healthy options section on the next page. So here we go to the next page, and what is the healthy option section? They've got about 8 dishes here, and each dish ke saath they have also mentioned the calories, the total fat, the cholesterol and the protein. So if you're one of those healthy diners, you've got a dedicated page for yourself. Take a look. You have all the information that you need, whether you want to check out the calories, total fat, cholesterol, protein, whatever it may be, everything's mentioned here. You can order accordingly. And like you know me by now, I have ordered not from this page, but from the other pages in the menu.
Hi, I'm Chef Bala from Casa Mia Italian restaurant of Le Méridien, Dubai. And now we are going to prepare the first dish of the day as a starter, tagliatelle with prawns and asparagus. Add a little bit of chopped garlic. The prawns, add a little bit of salt, mix it nicely. Then place the prawns into the pan. Add a little bit of asparagus into it. Add these cherry tomatoes. Add a little bit of vegetable stock in it. Leave it on a fire for a few seconds to make sure it's thoroughly cooked. After a few seconds, add a little bit of tomato sauce. And then add some chopped fresh parsley in it and the fresh basil. This is the homemade fresh tagliatelle pasta, which is you can cook only for just 4 to 5 minutes. The pasta is ready to have it now.
So here it is, the tagliatelle. अब इटालियन खाने में दो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं ज्यादातर लोगों को. एक, how to pronounce the names right, and two, how to eat this with just a fork without looking messy. And we're going to try and come over both these right now. I am loving this freshness of the green asparagus and the prawn. What a combination this. Very nice.
Today we are going to make sea bass fillet as a second course. This is the sea bass fillet. First of all, we'll add salt here, then just rub it with a little bit of flour, very little. Put the pan on the fire, and once the oil is hot enough, place the sea bass, the meat down on the pan, the skin on top. Just place sliced garlic top of this skin, then small piece of rosemary. We can see the sea bass is cooked. Before we start to do the plating, we have to prepare something else, which goes together with the sea bass fillet. Now it's ready to eat the fresh sea bass fillet.
It's time for some very, very good-looking sea bass now. Very, very simple dish this. You know, this is just roast sea bass, plain and simple, and it's on a bed of potatoes and some tomato confit. And I think it's the freshness of these ingredients that adds to the taste. It's the flavors that add to the taste. Love these tomatoes. Fantastic.
Now we are going to have the panna cotta.
Okay, here's the panna cotta, and इससे मैं अपना कोटा खत्म करूंगा. It's nice and silky. This is actually, you know, if you ask me in simple language, this is silky eggless custard is what it's supposed to be. Whoever thought of ending a meal with a dessert was a genius. I'm done with my meal, and I have to say I'm really happy. You know, when I walked in here, I was told that most of the ingredients here are flown in fresh from Italy. And when you take a bite of the food served here, the flavors in your mouth will vouch for that. So I have to say some great ingredients used, flavored food here, and also I have to say full marks here for the presentation of the food as well. So आप यहाँ पर जब आकर खाना खाएंगे, you will walk out very satisfied. So it's safe to say that this is a corner of Italy in the UAE. I've had my entire meal outdoors, but just to let you know, they've got a great indoor seating as well. So this is one of those restaurants जो आप summer में भी enjoy कर सकते हैं. But the right thing to do would be to come here during the winters because the Le Méridien Dubai has a great outdoors to offer as well. अब यहाँ से मुझे जाना पड़ेगा, पर एक हफ्ते तक एक बात जरूर ध्यान रखिएगा. No सवाल, no doubt, सबका solution, weekend out.
It's a K Company production.